na po sila, tingnan po. The meetings of stalactite and stalagmite, tinatawag ko yan as column or pillars. Kasi yung mga stalactites natin sa taas, tumutubo po sila 1 inch in every century. So century is composed sa hundreds of years. So the cave is nature, not a man-made. Yung man-made na natin dito yung entrance, yung hagdanan, yung pathways, yung railings, at saka yung guide. Man-made. Okay, master. Dito naman kayo na side, passage. Yun. Dito. Kailangan po muna natin yun.
My hair is growing.
Dito muna na side. Model of CRISPR with me. Dito muna. Later of Zumba. Ang dating model ng Bonactive 3+. Compress. Model na Rainforest Beer. Okay.
It's okay.
Huwag lagyan ng space, baka may mag-occupy. Okay,
There's a sign that says we're not
3,
supposed
2, 1, and don't ever move. 3, 2, 1, and smile. Another. All of you walking. Walking po. 3, 2, 1, and yun na. Huwag lang mag-jump shot, ha? Yung nag-jump shot kahapon, gumulong doon. Okay. So po, master, tingnan yung kuha natin. Oh. Very clear and bright. Yes, ma'am. Okay. So po, wait muna. Palabasin muna natin yung kahapon pa. So, sir, keep right tayo palagi. So, may natural pool, ma'am, sir. Pwede kayo mag-swimming kung gusto nyo. Pero dito sa loob, dalawang pagpipilian kung mag-swimming. Sa natural pool, sa sariling pawis. Okay. Kung nasa ko lang ito, itong lens ko.
Ibuok lang mo, kauban po ito ba man?
Yan. Okay. So, come forward a little bit.
Dahan-dahan.
Yun. So, ito yung sinasabi ko po, yung stalactite at saka stalagmite, kapag nagkadugtong na sila, nagiging matibay na column or pillars. Ganyan yung nangyayari. Yan. Kasi sobrang